Okay, hello. We're going to figure out if the light finally cuts off when we close our fridge, because you know that's something every little kid wonders. And I'm still personally a little kid. I'm only 10 years old. So yeah, let's find out. So, did it work? Does it shut off or does it stay lit? We're gonna figure out in the freezer too, because you never know. They change. Peace. So, did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Yeah, that's my friend. I'm on the phone with her. Sorry for bad lighting, you know. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. This is personally good lighting. So, peace. Bye. Tell me the answer in the comments.